What's good, baby?
What's good with the union, man? I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T. You know what that means? She got her own house. She got her own car. Do it now. You a bad bro. You ain't on that. You ain't on that. You ain't on it. You ain't on it. Listen. Oh, man. Listen, bro. So, look. I got a talking video for y'all today. You know what I'm saying? This is something really important. Essential, man. All the dudes, listen up. And all the ladies, if you're watching, come over, baby. If you're a sexy woman. So listen, bro. I've been noticing, man. Y'all niggas get no hoes, bro. If y'all want this sexy ladies, you gotta get yourself one of these. Hey, Daddy! Get yourself one of these. You know what I mean? Look, man, look. I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get a beard today. You know what I'm saying? Hey, don't mind the hoodie, man. I just got up. I ain't finna get all dressed up for you. It's like, nah, man. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about how to get a beard, man. But look, I did some research. I'm gonna plug all the research in the description or up here. Either one, I don't know. Just stay tuned, man. I got you. I'm about to get you some hoes. Look, enough with the talking, man. Listen, my beard had the patch in it. You see the picture. I ain't gotta go too much into detail, man. The rest of the beard was growing except for that one spot. I was just trying only castor oil. That shit wasn't doing the job, man. I tried cutting it over. Like, you know, people always say get a cut and keep on cutting it till it grows in. That shit don't work. Nah, it doesn't work, bro. You know what I'm saying? I did some more research and found a method that works, man. I got a full beard in 2 weeks. This is what you need right here. Hold on. I gotta get up and grab this stuff. Oh shit! Like, wow. All right, bro. Enough with the games. Biotin pills, man. This stuff is good for growing your hair and your nails. Get it at CVS. You know what I'm saying? Stores like that. You know, nigga, you know what a CVS is, nigga? Take a biotin pill once in the daytime, once at nighttime, preferably right after you wake up, right before you go to sleep. Do it every day till you start seeing the full beard come in, man. You know, dedication, discipline, consistency, nigga. That's how you be productive. If you want the hoes, nigga, you gotta act like it. You gotta fucking act like it. Once in the daytime, once at nighttime, every day till your beard is full. All right. Next step, get yourself a derma roller, man. It's a 0.25 millimeter. You know what I'm saying? What you do with this? Clean your face off and rub this on your face. You know what I'm saying? The areas you want a beard in.
Man, come on, man.
Let it roll all over. You gotta hit it in all different directions, 8 strokes each. Like for example, let's say down 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 8 down, 8 down, 8 down, 8 down, 8 down, 8 down, 8 down. Under the chin too. You know what I'm saying? 8 down all around. Ooh. You feel me? Once you do that, up 8, all around. Left 8 strokes, right 8 strokes, even the diagonals, man. Every direction. Look, it's recommended that you only use a derma roller just 2 times a week, you know, because it opens up your pores, it's needles, this and that. So look, I use it every 3 days. One more thing I forgot to mention, bro. You gotta clean your derma roller after every time you use it. And to do that, let it sit in some alcohol for like 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? That's it. After that, right, let your face sit for 15 minutes. Let it sit in peace. And then use the Rogaine, right? So look, this is a chemical. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be careful with this. So what I do, it's a dropper in here, right? Or the one that you're gonna have. I don't use this shit no more, you niggas. So look, it comes with a dropper, right? Get the whole dropper full. Pour it on your hand, rub your hands together, and get it all over your face. Oh, look at that, oh, look at that shit, all over.
But no homo.
All over the whole beard area, you know what I'm saying? Rub it in, make sure it's dry. You feel me? I'm gonna do this twice a day, once in the daytime, once at nighttime. But I did slip up on this. I didn't do this every day. So maybe you ain't got to either. Wait like 15, 20 minutes for it to like, you know, dry up and soak in and all that. After that, use the Jamaican castor oil, you know what I'm saying? It's a different kind, you know what I'm saying? I use the original when I was getting my beard full. What I do, I use a dropper, put it like all areas of the beard, rub it in on my hands, you know what I'm saying? All around. And then, hold on, use the beard board brush, man. So look, you wanna brush your beard in like the way that your beard flows. Ooh. When I was getting my beard full, I make sure to do 100 strokes every time.
This for the bitches, nigga.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do, man. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention, bro. So look, after your beard is full, stop using Rogaine. That's a chemical, drain your skin out. Now I got a full beard. All I'll be using now is just the castor oil. That's it. I don't use the derma roller. I don't use the pills. I don't use the Rogaine. None of that shit, man. None of that shit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, now you know. So look, I was doing that for 2 weeks. Got to line up at the barber, and my shit was looking beautiful. You know, the beard was totally full. No complaints, no BS. That's how it worked for me, man. But also on top of that too, what I was doing, I made sure I drink a gallon of water. I was working out, like, you know, all the time, 6 days a week. I was getting in the sauna, make sure I get that sweat in. Sweat opens up your pores. You know, I don't remember if I was the healthiest eater around that time or whatever, but I was still eating, you know, pretty good vegetables and fruits, getting exercise in. All that, you know what I'm saying? So that's how the beard came. It's been full, man. That's how you do it. Now look, man, just taught y'all some very important sauce, especially in today's age when testosterone's at a low. Niggas don't be looking masculine anymore. So look, with this shit I just told you, you better start pulling them fine hoes, nigga. You better be like, shit, like, what's good, y'all? She's gonna be on you, for real, man. But look, that's the video, bro. I just wanted to give y'all some sauce real quick. People been asking me how I get the beard and everything. I had to tell them what's up, how to do it, man. You feel me? So look, subscribe for me, like for me, comment something for me. See, why not? Go ahead and send this to a friend. Look, people need beards out here, man. If you need a beard, you know somebody that needs a beard, go ahead and send them this video. Send it their way. And with that being said, this is Sauce Can Union, man. Whatever the channel's name is, man. You know, look, it's time to wrap the video up, man. Subscribe.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.